What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Gould Gaming and Tech channel. If you're an aspiring YouTuber and you're thinking, or even photographer, and you're thinking, man, I need that professional super pro camera that looks crazy, editing, all that good stuff, hold on for a second and watch this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps the channel out. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. It's definitely appreciated. So I recently had a trip to Colombia, which was amazing. You can see it in the other video of kind of how it went and my experience with that. And I didn't want to take too much equipment with me because you got to go through customs, TSA, all that stuff, check bags. I didn't want to bring too much, so I kept it super minimal. All I brought was my iPhone 13 Pro Max, a couple of MagSafe cases, chargers, headphones, all that good stuff. I've noticed that when I was on the trip, everyone was taking pictures and I was taking pictures as well. And when I would have someone take a picture for me with my phone, they would see the results of that picture and be like, yo, like, this is amazing. Like, can you take a picture for me? Or can you take a picture of us? And I constantly kind of figured out my camera, my phone was on heavy rotation the whole trip. 3 days it was on heavy rotation. More specifically, the cinematic mode, the portrait mode with the studio light, and the regular HD 30 frames per second video. So I'm taking pictures and videos of everyone, do a light little editing at the end, and everybody was just like amazed with the results of it. And I kind of vlogged the whole trip and the wedding and everything, and I noticed that the results of that camera was like second to none as far as a smartphone is concerned. And I think it compete with some, not all, but some lower level professional cameras. So if you're thinking about being an aspiring YouTuber or content creator and you're looking for like a really good camera, I would say if you want to go a little cheaper route, but you want to still get that professional look, this video is for you. I would recommend getting the iPhone 13, more specifically the 13 Pro Max, because it takes amazing videos and pictures, and then the editing after, even on your phone. So for example, right now I'm using the cinematic mode. Once you're done shooting whatever you're shooting, and you can go on your phone and click edit, you can actually change. So for example, I notice a lot of time in my videos when I'm using cinematic mode, the picture in the back, it'll focus on that sometimes and then kind of blur my face. On your phone, you can refocus where the center of attention is on that video and blur everything else out if you need to. And that's just on your phone. So obviously if you have some kind of MacBook, you can edit it a little bit further on there. So I highly recommend holding off getting that professional camera just yet, unless it's something very specific that you need a professional camera to do. But if not, and you just really want your videos and your pictures to pop a little bit more on your social media, or on YouTube, TikTok, whatever the case is, go with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. The Pro Max starts off at $1,199 or $1,099, but it will save you a lot of time, a lot of money. Usually point and shoot is a really good picture on its own, but if you need to do a little bit editing after that, which is not going to be much, you are in the right market to have that phone. But I just want to keep this video short and sweet. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one.